Hello there everybody, it's Arblaster. I hope you're all well. It's time for an unboxing video. As you can see here, it's a set of brand new speakers because my other speakers are playing up at the moment. Well, the left one is. So we decided to get a new set of speakers. Let's try and do this one-handed. Oh, to go extreme close up, I knew I should have got a knife out for this. Never mind. Yeah, gonna have to go and get a knife. Back in one moment. Extreme close-up. Right, you could hear that. So you could hear me walking back in the background. So here we go. Only use a knife if you're a responsible adult. There we go, we're now in it. Lift the adult. Got instructions in the flap. There we go. Oops. They're tiny speakers compared to the other ones. I hope these are powerful enough. There you go. There are the speakers. They nearly fall off. We've got the usual power accessories in the back. There we go. I'm doing this one-handed. It'll be just the fact of the. Oh, there's the plug. There's the instructions. Whoever reads the instructions, I don't. Got the subwoofer in the back here. Oops, can't see that at the moment. I'll do this one-handed. I don't think it's that heavy. He said. There you go. Might have to put you down again for the moment. Organise it here. I don't want to pull this by a lead if I can help it. That's tight in, that is. Oh, I think we've nearly got it. Give it a quick shaky. Oh. There you go. There's the subwoofer. Get rid of the box down there out of the way. You can see here, I think that little piece plugs into somewhere on the speakers, plug into that by the looks of it. And there you go. What it looks like. Ow. Ouch. I'll probably stop the recording by now. Go and get this piece of wrapping off so it's not stuck on it, which it is. So gotta be careful that I don't cause. Don't you hate it when you get packaging that doesn't undo completely? Give me 2 seconds. Get an extra close up again. Sorry about the extreme close-up. There you go, that's the part of the wrapping off. They're going to have the same again with this piece. Or not. 2 seconds. Another extreme close-up. Yeah, this is what makes this annoying. Instead of tie wrapping it, they sellotape it. So now we got, oh, there we go. There's the mains plug, and that's the subwoofer itself. Oh, we ain't got the control panel out yet. Just get that off. 2 seconds. Oh, that's come off a bit better. And there's the volume and control. And there you go. There's the unboxing of me Logitech speakers. I'll just get these out of the fact. Just get this out of the bag. Well, you can see them there. There you go. There are the speakers. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and hit that bell button and select all to be notified every time I upload a new video. And I'll see you all soon. Thanks for watching. Oops. Bye for now.